Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanushka and in today's video I'll be unboxing some NYKAA PR packages with you all guys, and they were delivered yesterday. So if you enjoyed this video then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. So with me here I have two boxes. So let's begin with the first box. It's not opened. So let's start. So the first product is I got the Dermaco peeling solution, and it's 30% AHA plus 2% BHA peeling solution. I hope it's visible. So it contains 10% glycolic acid, 10% lactic acid, 10% mandelic acid and 2% salicylic acid. So the salicylic acid is very nice for our skin, as you all know. So it here comes with, here is your solution in it, and you have a dropper for it. So in my upcoming video I'll be showing you how to use it and what are its side effects and non-side effects. So let's come to the next product. So the next product is Pore Minimizer Primer from Inside. I have listened very much about this product. मैंने बहुत सुना इस product के बारे में, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं भी एक बार try करके देखती हूँ इसको. And it's just a trial pack. I try it and I'll show you guys too. So the next product is so the next product is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and I hope it matches my skin tone. I think it's light for my skin tone, and that's why I just got a small pack of it. क्योंकि अगर बड़ा मंगा लेती फिर मेरा शेड नहीं होता तो फिर मेरे को प्रॉब्लम आता. And I think it's my shade. I'll show you guys in my upcoming videos. So the next product is a moisturizer, and it's from Minimalist, and I have listened very much about this product. मैंने बहुत सुना इस product के बारे में, और ये एक ओट मॉइस्चराइज़र है और ये नॉर्मल से ऑयली स्किन के लिए है मॉइस्चराइज़र. बहुत अच्छा मॉइस्चराइज़र, मैंने ऐसे सुना है इसके बारे में. हम आगे ट्राई करेंगे इसको और फिर मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज स्विस ब्यूटी लिक्विड कंसीलर, और मैंने इसके बारे में भी बहुत सुना है, और ये आपकी डार्क सर्कल्स को बहुत अच्छे से हाइड कर देता है. ऐसा इसमें लिखा भी आता है और ऐसा बोलते भी है. बहुत लोगों का फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट है, लाइक काफ़ी यूट्यूबर्स का. तो मैंने सोचा मेरे को भी एक ट्राई देना चाहिए इसको. सो विल गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड आई विल शो यू गाइज इन माय कमिंग वीडियोस. सो द नेक्स्ट बॉक्स वी नीड टू ओपन इज दिस वन. So the box has finally opened, guys. Now I'll show you the products I got in this box. So the first product is, actually it's a free product. It's with the caffeine body scrub. I'll show you. So guys, I got a NYKAA naked and raw body scrub, coffee body scrub, and इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना है, ये बहुत अच्छा होता है, and it has that small chunky particles, like a big type of particles, so it will remove your tan very nicely and very properly. So with it, I got a small free pack of naked and raw coffee scalp scrub. I'll try it also, and if I do like it, so I'll order a big pack of it. It's just free with it. So the next product, is that this Maybelline Hype Curl waterproof mascara, and it's one of my favorite. I have used it before, and it's literally very nice. The next product is Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. So it's a nice fixer, and if you don't want to go in an expensive range of makeup fixers, then you can buy it and try it, and it's really very nice. Like MAC का जो makeup fixer आता है वो बहुत costly होता है, तो अगर आप उसको नहीं buy करना चाहते हैं तो आप इसको भी ले सकते हैं, ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. So the next and the last product is this Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette, and it is literally very pretty beautiful shades, and it's in the shade 01, I guess. Yeah, it's in the shade 01. So yeah, it's very pretty, and it has 4 blush shades and 4 highlighter shades. See, very pretty and very beautiful blush shades and very beautiful highlighter shades. So I thought of investing in it, and it will last me very long because I don't apply very zyada blush. So yeah, it will last me long. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this unboxing with me. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in my upcoming videos, you all be seeing these products, me using them, and I'll give you a review on them, how these are. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.